Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Wagwan, me peeps, wagwan, me peoples! Alain here again with a brand new episode of White Boys Fragrance Corner. And today we will be checking out this fragrance right here. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to check out Zadig and Voltaire. This is him. Now this particular fragrance has been popping up all over the place, and I finally got it. Well, let me just be clear on that. This was a gift from my mom. So mommy, big up yourself. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's check this bad boy out. I have my trusted Swiss knife. It's I know it's small, but in Jamaica we have a saying, little but talawa. Alright, so don't watch the size, as long as it gets the job done, right? So here we are, away with the cellophane. Alright, so here we go. So this is the box, and I'm not sure if you can see this or hear it, but there's like embossed or embedded or perforated. I'm not sure about the proper term, but it's actually cool. Looks okay. Then down here now we have the concentration, which this is a EDT, and this is 100 ml. Then down here now we have the batch code right here, and then we have the ingredients down there. So now, just to give you guys a quick background of this fragrance, this is a 2016 release. This is actually considered to be a oriental woody fragrance. That's notes in it such as black pepper and grapefruit at the top. Incense and vanilla are the middle notes, and I think it's sandalwood that's at the base. So I do like the bottle design. It's not a perfect square. I'm not sure if you can see. This is like edged, but it's not a straight edge. It's wavy. It's, you know, like a rock stone. Yeah, kind of has that feel. See the writing here around the back. I do kind of like this. It's different. I like it. So cap is okay. I think it's a plastic, but it has some weight to it. You know, it's not light, it's not flimsy, it's sturdy. So let's see what the atomizer is like. It's fair enough. It's not bad, but I've seen better, but it is okay. So let's spray this on skin and see what this is all about. Now, I am a fan of oriental woody fragrances. I do think they make good fall and winter fragrances. So, oh yeah. That opening is nice. There is a good amount of grapefruit in the opening, but it's not too citrusy. Oh, man, this is like a spicy type of citrus. I like this already. Yeah, I like this opening. This has a big man feel to it. I'm not saying old. I'm not saying old whatsoever. I'm saying big man. I don't think this is suitable for boys. This is like 30 and above. That grapefruit and black pepper combo in the opening is So awesome. I can't wait for the dry down. Yeah. This is actually good enough, guys. I definitely can't see why this is popping up everywhere. This is good. I mean, if you have been watching my first impressions video, I hardly react like this, but this is fire. Yeah. Just based on first impression, I'm liking this. And if I'm to expect something like this from their other fragrances, I can't wait to check them out. I think they've released Just Rock, and then the one in the blue bottle, Is This Love? Or This Is Love? I don't remember what's it called, but I leave a picture right there. Oh man. This is a lovely fragrance. Just at first sniff, fall would be the ideal, perfect season to rock this, but you can bring it over to winter and the early part of spring. Again, as usual, you'll be able to rock any fragrance at any season with controlled sprays. This is nice, guys. I'll definitely will be doing a review on this. As a matter of fact, I think this is going to be my scent for the week. I'll definitely be rocking this tomorrow. Man, it's good. I like it. Very solid. Definitely very solid. Yeah. So with that said, you can look out for the review of Zadig and Voltaire. This is him. Very nice, guys, very nice. And once again, and this seems as if I'm repeating myself, but the deal still stands. The channel reaches 100 subscribers. I will be doing a countrywide giveaway. So do the right thing. Click on the subscribe button, and while you're at it, click on the notification bell as well, so you will be notified whenever your friendly Jamaican fragrance reviewer uploads a brand new video. You can also catch up with me over there on Instagram at whiteboys_fragrance_corner, where I'm trying to interact with you guys as best as possible. And you know, you can also head over to Facebook, White Boys Fragrance Corner, and catch up with me over there. I'll definitely appreciate the support. And you know, let me just say thanks in advance. So with that said and out of the way, looking great, smelling greater, man fi smell good. You can't touch in a club and smell like dirty sneakers. Yeah, you gotta smell like this. Definitely. Alright guys, stay safe, stay blessed as always. White Boy is out.